You need to pray for that coworker who come in every morning and just, good morning. You say good morning. The girl, it ain't no good morning to me. I wish it was a good morning. Everything on me hurt. I didn't sleep last night. The dog was mad this morning. The car was cold this morning. They go down a whole list because they're just negative Nancy. And all you can say is, well, I'll pray for you. Have a blessed day and keep it moving. Continue to pray for them. Don't label them and don't say, well, I'm not even going to say good morning to them anymore because every time I say it, they got to complain. That's when you need to do what? Continue to say it. Continue to pray for them. Because guess what? They need to pick from your tree. And if they need to pick from your tree and you shut them out or shut them out, and they're going to feel like what? Some believer. Because they're looking at us. Even when we don't know they're looking. They're looking. They are looking, and it's not that they are there to judge us. They want to see, what does she have? What is this thing she talk about? Who is this Jesus she's talking about? Well,
if you would like a copy of this message or even browse any of our other catalog of messages, feel free to log on to rccraleigh.org right now and download your MP4 or MP3 today.